how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live to a Windows 10 computer. And before you continue, make sure they are not connected to a phone or another device because it will cause confusion. So to get started, basically on your computer or laptop, we're going to go to the startup menu here to the bottom left, click on it one time, and we'll go to where it says settings, click on that one time. And when you click on it, it will open up a window that looks like this that says Windows settings, and you know that you are in the right place if it says that. And after that, you're going to go to where it says devices. So we're going to click there. And as you click into that, you will see another window that will take you to another menu. Actually, you'll see the Bluetooth on and off switch here. So just go ahead and click on it one time so that it becomes on, or the Bluetooth settings is now on. And then after that, you will go to the top where it says add Bluetooth or other devices. Okay, so to the top here, you'll see that there. Click on that once, and when you click on that one time, this window will open up now, and you'll see the option that says Bluetooth. You're going to click on that one time. So click on it once, and to the top where it says add a device, you'll see a few dots going across, which means it's searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. Now, while it's searching, go ahead and open up the case lid for your Galaxy Buds Live and just wait for it to show up as Galaxy Buds Live on your screen. And if anything else shows up while it's searching, do not click on it yet. For example, you'll see something else by chance. Don't click on it until the Galaxy Buds Live is the first option to the top like this. So when it's the first option available like this, click on it one time. Then it will say connecting. And if you pay attention to the bottom right of your screen, you'll see it says setting up a device. So wait for that to say ready to use or device is ready to use. And once it says device is ready to use like this, that means you are fully connected and good to go. So you can close out the black window by pressing done. And once you do that, you can also go ahead and minimize the Bluetooth settings or the window for the Bluetooth settings. So just go ahead and minimize it just in case you need to go back to it. Now, one more thing before I end this video. If you go to the bottom right where the volume rocker icon is, or the volume slider is, click on it one time and you'll see where it says headphones Galaxy Buds Live. If you click on that once where the arrow is, you can actually see access to other speaker devices available, which you can toggle between, and you can have it set to play through your computer speakers or go back to the Galaxy Buds Live earbuds. And you can always go back and make those changes, and you can use the volume adjuster here to adjust the volume and also test out to see if it's coming out from the Galaxy Buds Live. So like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching.